Hello and welcome to Clean Email Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add more emails to your Clean Email account. If you have a subscription which allows you to clean multiple email accounts, you need to attach those emails to your main account before you can start cleaning it. To add more emails to your account, log in with your main email, which is usually the email used for purchase. Click the button with your name on it, and then click Add Another Account button. This process is similar to the registration process. Use the appropriate login button and log in with the email you want to add. Alternatively, you can use the gift feature to share paid accounts with others without adding them to your account. To do this, go to your account settings as usual. Click on Subscription, and then click the Gift button. In the window that appears, enter the email of the person you would like to gift a paid account to. Click Send Gift, and we will send an email inviting the new user to check us out. Their account will be marked paid after they log in without an extra charge. That is it. Thank you for watching and using Clean Email.